Ina sabanga tanza wunsa mna misomito. So banga tanza wunso. Mna misomito tutti mona bonsieto musoba yena. Sieto musoba yena. Bima bya tumwese kese mazono. Uno bitu kutusevisa. Ye mambo makala bonsi kumazono. Uno mika mambo mankebo. Babingi vavovanga vo mambo ma. Sikapenda mwana yakala masiko wanata muntu akakamuvumo kyandi ngoda vazaviba
Oh hapaka bantu bole menzambi nigokena Fweti yanga la Mumbelolo na munjadulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudian kenchu, sudian zambi tutanga beto kuna kuma Congo Bungong kenchu liana falanga piabiozo Fulame hologo, yeah Kemo con fumo Panamboka Kunana roto emuko muta mfumure yelemu Kayo yo Tubutukanga Ngana yo, je vous entends pas
Tubutukanga.
Est-ce que là-haut Est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si
Tubutukanga.
Ebelo mame Olo zankento gogo
Tubutukanga.
Ngarale maloro Lili obolongo
Tubutukanga.
Tubutukanga yo
Tubutukanga.
Alaya jorodo
Tubutukanga.
Régulièrement.
A battery that lasts up to 3 days. Google Pixel 6a, just $399.
La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
c'est Lusambu. Lusambu, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambiampungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
à vous, merci.
Yalulendo, za, yalulendo, vanatunu, za, yalulendo, za, yalulendo, fumu, vanatunu, za, yalulendo, za, yalulendo, vanatunu, za, yalulendo, za, yalulendo, fumu, vanatunu, tata wepuzulu, umbakuya sembure, wayambidikandi tasala okoma, fumu yalulendo, gebidi bia biosono, wayambidikandi tasala okoma. Bantu be munzayi eberi wasara bozo bayamidikani besara kokoma ko
Zambe yokongo na kosambela muzani siwa nikolona se Kembo 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 na kombo na yo muzani siwa bikela monyonso
za yalulendo za yalulendo vanatunu za yalulendo za yalulendo fumu vanatunu.
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tuto onde tata Devi. Kiambote tale. Oh, aga hey tale. Dinga. Okay, we have someone hidden. Tata Nerudani. Kiambote.
Mavimpi.
Kiambote onde. Let me just say hello to the audience. Welcome, Gizambote. If you are watching, thank you. Don't go away. Just stay where you are. We're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, then Tatale, Wales, Tatale, Angola, Gabon, Tatale, Kayu. Tata David, Angola, Gabon, Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, and the Democratic Republic of Congo,
Yes,
and the Republic of Congo. Thank you. Okay, we're going back to let me just check because we just have 25 minutes, I think. Let me just try to share my Previous lesson. Tatale, are you okay? Tatale, can you hear me, Tatale? No, we can't hear you. Tata David, can you hear Tatale? No. Okay.
No.
Oh, Tatale, sorry.
And I'm sorry, I had trouble hearing you before. Now you're fine.
But Tatale, we can't hear Tatale. Tata Nerudeni, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, I hear you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let me just go back to previous lesson.
Kimbote Tata Alan, Kimbote Tata David.
Kambuti.
Tata Allen, I think the best thing to do is just try to read, try to exit and come back. Tata Allen, please. I'm sure you can hear me. We can't hear you, sorry, Tata Allen. Okay. Ongeye Osinga Die. Tata. Oh, no. Sorry. We have to go back to. Tata David, were you there when we learned about pronoun of, how do you call it? Emphatic pronoun of insistence? Remember? Kwame, Kwani. Were you there? Yeah, I think you were.
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. We just want to apply it. Okay. Tuto Ndele. Ongeye Osinga Die. Tata Allen, sorry, Tata David, can you ask Tata Nerudeni? He's hidden, he's there.
Ve Kisinga Jiako.
First line, Tata David, sorry, please. First line, Tata Allen, you answer.
Ongeye Osinga Jie.
Thank you.
Ve Kisinga Die Ko.
Kisinga Diako. Thank you very much, Tata Nerudeni. Yes. Kisinga Diako. Remember, Isinga, sorry, I mean Singa. Singa is auxiliary, yes, Tata Nerudeni, remember?
Singa is what? Say that again.
Singa is like a wheel in English. We use it to make a future. Yes?
Future. Okay, yes, okay.
It is auxiliary, I mean.
So can you review for us, Tata Mpanzu, how would I make that emphatic by saying, oh yes, I'm definitely.
Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah. That's why I just want to make sure that you're firm on this one.
Okay.
Oh, Tetan is coming back. Hey, Tetan.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, bravo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it's good.
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes. Okay. Tata David again. Ask Tata. So you done that. Now we're going to apply. Oh, sorry, Tata Nerudeni, you were asking a question. Singa, it is a auxiliary, like wheel. Yes? A wheel to form a future. Yes.
Okay.
In Kikongo, we have something. Let me just try to display, try to use my pointer. It's freezing. Can you see here, Tata Nerudeni? Can you see, yes?
Yes.
We have Singa, take note. I mean, when I said take note, I mean literally take note, please. Because I can't go back to this, we done it before. Singers here, Kisinga Diako is negative. We will call it double negative. Kisinga, Singa is your will, auxiliary. Here, I'm going to say in Kikongo, E is your, by coincidence, it's your I in English, your first person.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have a two or three grammar here. I mean, we need to take note. Ki and ko, they go together. The double negative. Tata David, yes? Tata, yes? Double negative. Kiko. Kisinga diako. We're not running. I mean, we're going male in the Senegal Congo. Slowly. The most important thing here, we need to grasp it, yes? There's no point of running. Better little you master, yes, master than heavy load. You can't
Okay.
carry it. There's no point. Tata Neurin, yes?
Okay.
Yeah.
Singa. Will.
Okay, singer is your singer. Take note, literally. Write down, please, somewhere. Singer is your auxiliary. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
We have a double negative. Qui and ko, they go together. Like in French, je ne veux pas. In French, as soon as you say je ne, the ne, we're expecting ko at the end.
I see.
In Kikongo, same thing. As soon as you say ki, kizolele, we're expecting ko. Here we have a ki, ki. They go together very ko, but there's another I hidden. Is our first person. You give me that new name.
Yes, I'm with you.
Basically, we have here ki isinga diako, yes?
Ki isinga diako.
Ki isinga diako, yes?
Ki isinga diako.
Ki isinga diako, but obviously we have I twice. You don't need to write down. We just go ki isinga diako. Okay, any questions?
No, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, now, last time you were there last time, we're going to apply a pronoun of insistence and emphatic. Tata Allen, yes? You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, Tata Allen, you're going to ask Tata David. But Tata David, you're asking the same question, but let's try to see if you can do it, Tata David. I'm not answering your question, but I'm asking you instead. Let's just see Tata Allen is going to ask you a question. Then your reply should include, you have to insert your pronoun of insistence somewhere. Somewhere, I mean after the verb, always. Tata Allen, please go ahead.
Okay. Ongeye usinga diae.
Usinga die.
Usinga die.
Ve. Kisinga diako.
Tata, yeah, good. Tata David, you need to insert the pronoun of insistence after the verb. Ve kisinga dia, who can help us?
Ve kisinga ame diako.
You carry on kisinga. You insert your pronoun of insistence after the verb.
So it would go after kisinga.
After the verb.
The verb is will, right?
The verb here is dia.
Oh, dia. Okay.
Remember, dia, kisinga is your help.
Okay. So ve kisinga dia ameko.
Ooh, I was about to say well done, but you missed one thing. Ame, yes, good.
Kwame?
Well done, bravo. Can you do it again, Tata Nurden?
Okay. So ve kisinga dia kwame ko.
Bravo, Tata David, yes?
I see. Okay.
We insert after the verb, pronoun of insistence.
To make it emphatic?
Yes, pronoun of emphatic, yes, exactly, yeah. After the verb. Not before.
I thought you said we had to change the key with mu. Or am I confusing that?
That was another different lesson, yeah. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but not here. Let me just stick with this for the time being, totally, yeah. We're getting there. 1 minute. Okay, wait. Yes. Okay, kisinga dia kwa meko. Let me just move to Tata Allen. Ask the question to Tata David, please. Tata David, your answer after the verb, you insert your emphatic, yes.
Okay.
Please. Tata Allen.
Tata David, ongeyo singa kosoke.
Thank you.
Ve kisinga Ve kisinga kosoka kwamiko.
Bravo, yeah, well done, yes. Tata Neruden, yes, are you there? Yeah?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. Okay. Now we're talking about third person. Let's see if Tata Norden you are brave enough. Tata Alain, can you help us? Your question third person. But then Tata Norden you answer, of course, first person. I want just to help you. In this case, Tata Nordeni, instead of K-I, K-A, yes? K-A, because third person.
Ka.
Yeah, correct, yeah. Kasinga, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Tata Norideni, Ungeyo Singa.
No, Tata Alain, sorry. Let me just explain it again. We are talking about the third person. Him, her. Is he going to sit down? Yes, you. Cause, yeah. Mhm. You know that. Just remember your song. Ame Akwandi. Remember, always remember this. You keep the O, then you change the rest. Gay is him. You single. But we're talking about him, her. Oh, talent.
Tata Norideni.
No, we're not talking about him. Sorry, we're talking about the third person. You're asking about someone.
Okay.
Is he going to sit down? Is she going to sit down? This was the question in Kikongo.
For a third person, would that
Ongeyo
be
Kisinga.
Let me ask Tata David. Tata David, please. Tata David, can you try it?
Oandi Kusinga Kosoka Ke.
Bravo. Oyandi Osinga Kosoke. Tata, remember Oyandi. That's why I kept saying.
Yeah.
Ame aku andi eto eno au. You need to memorize it. Yeah. Okay. Where were we? Yes, Tata David, you ask the same question to Tata Neruden, please. Tata David.
Okay. Oandi Kusinga Kosoka Ke.
Osinga Kosoke.
Ve. Ka. Andi.
No.
So go ahead. Please help me.
Carry on. You.
Ka.
Remember, you insert your pronoun of emphatic after your verb. After the verb.
Place. Okay. So Kasinga Kosoka Andi Ko.
Kwandiko. Remember Kwandiko.
Kosoka Kwandi.
Well done.
Okay. Let me say it again. So
go ahead.
Ve Kasinga Kosoka Kwandiko.
Bravo, yes. Totally. Question?
Yes.
Are you there? Question? Any questions? Totally.
No. I got it. I was confused. I don't know why I was confused myself.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh, now getting harder. I mean, we're going back to same question, but now a different person. We're asking for them. Totally. No, Totally. You ask the question. Them. Are they going to sit down?
Okay, so that would be
Eto. Sorry?
Oeto.
Oeto is us. We're talking about them.
Them. So it's Eno. Them.
Eno, you, many.
You. And Awu.
Correct, yes?
Awu, okay.
Carry on, please. Oahu, yeah?
Wow. Okay, you can have two verbs together.
Yes.
I mean two vowels together.
Oh yeah. Oyahu. Or you could say Oyahu.
Okay. So Oahu.
Sorry, excuse me. 1 minute. Tatale. We could say Oyahu. Tatale. Another way of saying same thing. We have 3 ways. We could say Au, no prefix.
Okay.
Tata, no, bear with me, sorry. Tata, remember, Tata, we can say Oahu. What's that, Tata? Now, we could say Tata, what the other alternatives? Tata, David, remember? Tata, David.
Let's see. You could have with a prefix of BE, correct?
Correct. We could have a BE, but not in this case, but later on. But here we can have either two letters, BOY. Remember Tata? We could have Oyao or
Yes,
Bao. Yeah.
correct.
Tata Nureni, are you okay? Yes.
Okay.
You could say Oyao, but I want you to stick with Ao. It's easy. Make it easy for you.
Okay.
Oyao, it's fine.
Okay. Oahu, Osinga, Kosa, Kie.
Now here we change the O. Here, this. Let me just try. This is my pointer. Sorry, give me a minute. You're doing well. That's good. Here we change this. That David, you gave me the answer earlier on.
Yeah, I changed it to
B.
Ka.
B. Ba.
Oh, for this, yeah.
Yes.
Besinga Kusokake.
Exactly. Tata Nureni. Oau. Besinga Kosoke, please.
Okay. So Oahu, Besinga, Kosa, Kie.
Tata answer.
Am I answering?
Please.
Okay, Ve.
Oh, the line is not good. Tata David, can you help please?
Ve Besinga Kosoka Kwauko. Right.
Yes, Tata. Well done, Tata David. But you missed something here. Remember, Be here and here as well.
Yes, we left off the key for the negative.
K. We use K-E in this case. K-E. K. Then
Right.
carry on, Tata David. K.
Ve Kisinga Kosoka Kwauko.
Well done. But we say K. Besinga here. Besinga Kosoko.
Okay, we needed to add the be before the singa.
Yeah,
Yes,
because it is Kikongo, Bantu language. Tata Nureni, are you there? Yes.
Yeah. So the Bay is also
Third person.
the third
Third plural.
person. It's the
Sorry?
third person plural. Okay.
Yes, Be here. Remember here we changed it to. How did we change? I can't even remember. Oyandi. No. What was it?
Okay. Yeah, I remember. It could be BTL, right, or W,
Yes.
depending
Yes.
on the.
Okay. Another question. Okay. You doing well? That nailed it. Okay. Ask us. Are we going to sit down? Tata nailed it again. Try. Are you
Okay.
brave enough?
Okay. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. So Oyenga,
Sorry?
Tosinga.
Well done, but yeah, keep the here. We're removing gay. You keep the O, yeah.
Okay. Oyenge,
Oyeto.
Oyedo. Okay. Tosinga,
Bravo, Kosoke.
Kosoke.
Yes, well done. Okay. I know it's hard. Okay, let me just try to remove this. We're stopping soon. Any questions? Tata.
No questions.
Okay.
Tata, well done. It's hard, I know, not easy. But it is our language. We need to protect our language. Same principle we're going to apply again.
So the pronoun
Mm-hmm.
is N for I, woo or W for you, L for you all, T for we, us, and ba for they, them. And then the vowel can change based on the word that it's connecting to. Is that correct?
Are you talking about the third person?
Yeah, if it's third person, meaning if we were saying I, you said kesinga or kesinga, but then we changed it to the we said te singa. So the
To singer, yeah, to singer.
sing-
Bravo, yeah, to singer, yeah. Well done, yeah.
So
Okay.
So
So the question, what was the question?
the question is, I thought if it's first person, but I didn't ask, am I sitting down or am I going to sit down? It would be ensinga, right? Or no?
Yeah, future, always, yeah. You use your auxiliary, yes.
Okay, ensinga, okay.
Okay, now we have a test. Let's start with Kwenda means, David, Kwenda means?
To go.
Yes. Kwenda means to go. Quiza, tata, Nerudeni.
Quiza.
The reverse, yeah? The reverse.
To stay. Or to come?
To come.
Yeah.
To come.
Kwenda to go. Quiza to come. Yes, okay. Let me delete this. Okay, we are going to use a double negative. That's Nerudeni. I'm not going. Remember, we use. I'm not give you the answer. Sorry. We're using two. Sorry. I have to stop the others. I'm going to give you the answer. Tata Nerudeni. I'm not going. Double negative. What do you use, Tata Nerudeni?
Would it be based on what you said before? Let's see.
Remember KK. We have a KK from
before. Okay. So Kikwenda ko.
Bravo. Yes, certainly is.
Yep.
It's not easy. I mean, you talk to Tata David. Tata talk to Tata David. Tell him you are not going. Tata think twice because we're going to change key. Remember, keys, although it's a key core, they go together. That KI, the I is masking, hiding the pronoun. Tata Neuden, yes?
Yes.
You say Kikwendako, you mean, of course it's Kikwendako, but somehow KI, I is hiding first person, you. I mean, I'm not going. Did you get that, Tata?
Okay.
I'm using negative at the same time. I have my first. The pronoun is there, first person. Tata Neuden, yes.
Okay.
Are you there, Tata Neuden?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Yes.
Did you get that?
Yeah. You said that the I is masking the first pronoun, right?
Correct. Because when I say ki, I have a ki. K is negative because I say ki kwenda. Remember, kwenda is a verb. Where is the pronoun? The pronoun is in I. Yes, totally, yes. Because your K is a negative. Just for negative.
Oh, so the K represents negative.
But that I after the K, ki, that I is at the same time your key negative, double negative, and is hiding, masking the I am. I mean the first person, yes?
Okay.
The reason I'm underlining that is because now I'm asking that Ale, if you did follow me correctly, you need to think twice before you ask this question. It's tricky. You are going to use the K, of course, is the negative and the core, but at the same time, after K, second person must follow. Tata, did you get it? Do you understand? You understand? Yes.
Yeah. So is it I or am I talking to myself or am I talking?
No, that's easy one. You asking Tata. Clever
Okay.
boy.
Okay. I think I got
You
it. I got
asking
it.
Tata David. You are not going. Yes.
Okay. So
I mean, you're
Tata
telling him.
Tata David on Ongeye.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about the. We just want to make it easy because we're applying the double negative. Yes.
So will it be let me see. Is it Osinga Kekwendako?
Don't worry about the singer. We just want them pure and simple. Just let me just put it here. Okay, put R. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You can see my text. Yes, can you? Can't you? Can you see it? That David. Yes, can you see my?
Yeah.
Yes.
That okay. You're doing well. You know, you learn proper Kikongo. I'm telling you. Yeah. Okay. This one. These are the first singular. Hmm? First, second person, third. Mind you, we will see negative, yeah, double negative. Here, I know what you're going to. You know what you're going to put here. Hmm? Hmm? Tata, you asking Tata. I'll give you. There's a hint there. Just use the K for the negative. Then your third singular pronoun is there. Asking Tata, David. You're not asking. You're telling. Yes.
So yeah, I'm a little bit confused here. Is it?
No. Let me just go back. Say it in first person. Your eye is there. You're not going in first person. Say you are saying.
But it Omono Isinga.
No. Don't make it.
So don't worry about those. Okay.
Okay, so
No. We're done with that. Don't worry about that. Just apply
Kikwendako?
this. Sorry?
Kikwendako?
Exactly, yes, correct. I here is your. Remember, we have a K. When say key, when say key, your K is your double negative, but the small I is your first singular pronoun. Yes?
Yes.
Here we have second singular and third. So you asking Tata David just remove the I. After K you have the second is there in blue. Tata, just affirm it. Tata, yeah.
Yeah, if you remember, I think he sent us a sheet with the combination of the K with the combination of the A, the I, the U. It kind of changes to
Yeah, second person, Tata, you're talking to Tata David. You tell him you are not going.
Yeah, I'm confusing everything.
Tata, can you help us?
As though it's a command.
yeah.
Yeah. It would be ukwenda kwakuko.
Don't worry about it. You done well. Yeah. Kukwendako.
Kukwenda. Oh, okay.
Kukwendako, yes. Tata, this is your first singular, first person pronoun. Second, the blue, green is your. Don't Sorry,
No, I'm looking at some of our previous notes. I don't recall learning it like this. That's what's confusing me a little bit.
you did. You remember, but because of the way okay, I'm putting it is a bit different. Tata Neruda, are you there?
Yes, Kukwendako.
Very good, very good. Just simple. Kukwendako. Don't worry about the singer. No. Tata David, okay, yes. Tata David, you asking, you tell someone third person. Tata David, we have use your K, yeah, K. Then after you have your pronoun.
Kikwendako.
Him, her. Look at the board, Tata. Your first person I here, your second you, your third person A.
Right. So Kukwendako.
Third person, Kukwanda is the second. Third person, A is there.
Okay. Kakwendako.
Bravo. Tata Nelden, yes?
Yeah, Kakwendako.
Bravo. Tata Ale, you know that. I know that
Yeah,
you
no,
know that.
I mean, I got it. This is yeah, I gotta spend some time looking at this.
No, no, you've been doing that, but now I'm trying to break it down. That's why I'm a bit confused to you. You see?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to Tata get this. This is very important to you. Now I think this one should be easy for you. Tata we are going third, we're going to plural now. First plural, second, third plural. We are not going. You have your. I'm not giving you a hint because you know that. I know you know that. We are going. We are going. Sorry, we are not going. Ka. Then put your.
Kakwendako.
We.
Oh, Bekwendako.
Good. That's the third person. Yeah. Then first singular.
Oh, we Katukwendako.
Bravo. Yes. Tata Danny. Then
No.
second plural.
Uh-huh. Oh, you combine them. Katukwendako.
Yeah. You don't. You just say one word. You're Katukwendo. Yes.
Oh, and that gives you the we Katu. So negative,
Yes. It's
negative
like this.
plus the we. Okay, Katukwendako.
It's like this. Like this. See? Yeah. Tata. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Now, Tata Nilden, second plural. Please.
Which one? Which plural?
No, second plural.
Second plural.
You many are not going. Tata David. Go ahead.
Cool.
Ka, starting with Ka, yeah, Ka. Tata David.
Kakukwen.
Yeah.
I'm sure you know that. It's just.
Kalukwendako.
Bravo. Yes, Kalukwendako, yeah. Tata, Tata. Kalukwendako. Oh, it's gone. Tata, can you try the last one, please?
Okay, Kalukwendako.
It's the second plural.
And the second one would be.
No, the third plural.
Third plural. Katukwendako.
That's us. Second, first singular. Sorry, first. Where's my page? Tata, can you try the second, third plural? We are not going.
Kabakwendako.
Bravo.
Is it be or ba?
Same thing. Kebekwendo. Yeah, no. As long as there's a B. Okay. Are you okay? Yes.
Okay. I just have ba as the fourth, as instead of third.
And
That's
the
how it's
third plural should be ba or be.
Okay, ba. Okay, so kaba.
Kabakwendo, kebekwendo, yes. Depending on the variant. Okay, we're stopping there. Thank you very much for your time. Any questions, Tatalen? I know it's
No,
hard.
no, no. I don't have no questions. I'm gonna I gotta review my notes here.
Okay.
Yeah, me
Thank you
too.
very much. Tatalen,
Yes.
question?
No, no question.
You're fine. Okay. Thank you very much. Tutondele. And someone's asking, okay, Tata Ludi, you need to go to check our website, mamaki.uk. He's asking, would like to join the class. Tutondele, Luenda Kiambote.
Salakiambote.
Salakiambote.
Thank you. Bye. Tata Nordeni. Bye.
Salah Kambiote.
Ekietu yangani kawauko iwau bombele meso mwene esibuli matu uwidi ikonzo dienu yeno luvo ngabo Congo diafwa yeno luvo ngabo Congo diafwa bizatala kwenwe eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe ekulu mbikase Congo diatungwa